नमस्कार मित्रों, I am Mahen Singh, Assistant Professor of Pedagogical Science of Marnadi B.Ed College, Ara, Bihar. I present my view on e-pedagogy for collaborative learning. I proposed this paper for academic progress and my self purpose for online seminar on e-pedagogy for the digital age, which is organized by Tamil Nadu Teacher Education University. I thankful to organize the online seminar committee, organizing secretary Dr. P.C. Nagasubramani and VC Professor N. Panchanatham, and I also thankful to organizing committee members of the Tamil Nadu Teacher Education University. It is good work for new learning environment for from Tamil Nadu Teacher Education University. Just now I share my feelings for collaborative learning. E-pedagogy is a such tool for collaborative learning. E-pedagogy is a pride of now pride of new age where collaborative learning is a demand of constructive knowledge. Collaborative learning uh, is being more and more developed with the help of e-pedagogy. E-pedagogy have sensitive role in different condition, different kind of relationship between continuous interaction from focus to focus collaborative learning. With the help of e-pedagogy, collaborative learning be scientific, simple, valuable, effective, more and more informative. By learning of subjective expression and another, and it is useful to relation from a place to another place persons. E-pedagogy and collaborative learning both are an innovative and new trend for learners based teaching learning process with the help of multi-choice subject expert, many socio-economic condition, era of pandemic, and need mm, for in traditional education system of imparting are new in resulting in new approach. E-pedagogy for collaborative learning, the uh, collaborative learning process have applying e-pedagogy technique in different groups in a different situation. Any Synchronous communication context. Through e-pedagogy and by mean of discourse analysis, we identify the main interpsychological mechanism involved in uh, peer cooperation, positive interdependence, construction of meanings, and and uh, construction of psychological relationship. E-pedagogical, uh, e-pedagogically driven approach to collaborative learning allow practitioners to make the link between pedagogy and different learning system. This is uh, turn provides empirical evidence that confirms propositions which denote the collaborative learning in higher education should adopt pedagogical models that are not fundamentalist in nature but allow a complementary between behaviorism and customism and behaviorism to cognitivism and behaviorism to effectivism, behaviorism to psychovism. And in pedagogy is a, a teacher's at heart has a passion of learning, knowledge of learning theories and effective pedagogy, and understands the functionality of collaborative learning, population, exploration, resource, concentrates, and the need of education make e-pedagogy for collaborative learning popular gap. E-pedagogy for collaborative learning can play an important role in making education universal. E-pedagogy for collaborative learning in a context offer diverse opportunity to promote regulated behaviors that may support joint construction of meaningful collaborative learning. Nevertheless, teachers often comment that student conversation in collaborative learning tasks and can be disappointing. Student the content can be insufficiently focused on the content of their activity and the quality of their group objective that of secretary of the academic content in group discussion often is, stems from a lack of clarity on the part of student and teachers as to what should be make learner to arrange for a useful learning environment. Teacher need to take advantage of possibilities given by this learning environment and to try to reduce the problems. In this sense, we produce the purpose of identify the main interpsychological mechanism involved in process of e-pedagogy for collaborative learning system. In this communication system, by means of content analysis and online discussion, learning intent to delineate discourse categories that will allow us to examine positive interdependence among group members, the construction of meaning, and the psychological relation among a collaborative learning group. Now, uh, we are say the meaning of e-pedagogy for collaborative learning. E-pedagogy for collaborative learning, one of the many types of teaching learning process that teachers present with their students in the classroom or in students or learners situations is fruitful, devoid of immediate inspection and include all those teaching methods in which teaching is done by the use of mechanical mechanism or electronic techniques. Thus, e-pedagogy for collaborative learning is a comprehensive suffix in which education is imparted. There are many ways to do this, but best way of this learning is between teachers and student direct connection, and this type of education learning process goes smoothly. Use a variety of communication tools to make it effective. Objective of e-pedagogy for collaborative learning. The aim of this teaching learning process is to establish effective e-learning practice in higher education and school education. This is achieved by looking at examples of different pedagogical techniques employed in institutions. The effectiveness of these techniques is established by gaining at the student outcomes on their course. If pedagogy for collaborative learning has adopted a sequence mixed methodology characterized by